Hi everyone, my name is Dipankar and I'm a developer advocate in the R&D team here at Qlik. Today I'm going to introduce you to the new natural language API from Qlik. Qlik Sense has always been known as a visually compelling data analytics platform, helping users to discover and derive insights to actionable intelligence. Qlik also brought in the Insight Advisor, an AI-powered natural language processing capability, enabling users to ask questions in their own words through a chat interface. By blending the power of Qlik's associative and cognitive engine, the Insight Advisor instantly generates relevant answers in the form of narrative text, visualization charts, and recommendations to help users with any level of expertise to maximize their potential when deriving insights. Today, we bring the potential of the Insight Advisor to the hands of a developer community with the new natural language API that allows developers to build customized chatbots using technologies like Node.js. Let us look at a demo to understand this better. Here, we have a Qlik Sense mashup with a chatbot embedded. Now, along with the ability to visually analyze my data, I can also ask questions to Qlik's analytical engine and quickly get a response. The flexibility to switch between visual and conversational analytics seamlessly and without losing context bridges the gap that is often seen with traditional BI tools. Now, let us ask our Qlik chatbot some questions. First, I want to know my total sales. So, what is my total sales? The Qlik's analytical engine responds with a value $23.89 million. Next, I'm interested to see what has been my sales over the year. So let us ask. I have been returned with a narrative that shows the total sales and the maximum and minimum value during a specific period. I can also see a time series chart being provided by the chatbot. Let us expand this. Okay, we have the chart here now and we can get a better view. Finally, I want to know which salesperson did the biggest sale. So let us ask. This time, I am returned with the total sales made by the person and his name. I also get a bar chart that shows me the top 15 salesperson and their sales in descending order. Let us expand this. So now that we know about this exciting new API, how do you as a developer get started? You can easily get started by going to our developer site, qlik.dev's tutorial section, and clicking on the Build a Chatbot link. You will see all the steps required to build your Qlik chatbot. The tutorial also contains the complete code for a baseline chatbot. Thank you so much for watching.